mean, she's giving body, she's giving volume, she's giving fluffiness. I'm digging it. What's up guys, and welcome back to my channel, as I am going to be showing you guys how I install this beautiful half wig on my short hair pixie cut. I did go ahead and purchase this wig from Amazon. I will have all the links listed down below. I will not leave you sisters out. Yeah, she's giving right now. I mean, she's giving body, she's giving volume, she's giving fluffiness. I'm digging it. Very easy to install, very budget friendly. This was a wig that was under $30. She is giving today. So once again, if you're interested in seeing how I install this look and how I achieve this look on my pixie cut, keep on watching and stay tuned. So the wig that I'm going to be installing today is by the Sensationnel hair extensions, and it's an instant weave drawstring cap. So basically you can treat it like a drawstring ponytail, or you can also treat it like a half wig. Obviously your girl got a pixie cut, so I'm going to be treating it as more of a half wig than a drawstring. But that is the option if you do want to wear it either or. I don't have the packaging, so I will be sure to include pictures of it just so you guys can see what I'm talking about. I got the hair off of Amazon for only $24.99, and I did get it in the color 1B. So enough of my babbling, and let's get into the fun stuff. Let's get into the installation and let's get this hair done. Okay, so this is what the hair looks like fresh out of the box. It has some nice curls to it. And one thing that I like about this is that it's a yucky texture. So that means that over time, once the curls, you know, they kind of fall a little bit, you'll still have some type of form that'll blend with your natural hair texture, because it's not silky. Like, it's definitely very much yucky. So let's get into this. Before I go ahead and put on my wig cap, I am going to go ahead and take the Main Choice collection, and this is their daily hair dressing. And I'm just going to go in and make sure to moisturize my hair and get it up to par and whatnot, just because it dries out pretty fast. If you know, then you know. Next, I'm going to go in with the Mielle collection, and this is her Rosemary mint drops. These are trending right now. It really does help with the hair growth. I'm loving these, and I love that it's a light oil because you can use it every day without it like clogging your hair follicles, causing your hair to be weighed down. Because some oils may be a little bit like too heavy, to where it can't really penetrate into your hair follicle. So what ends up happening is that all that oil just sits on top of your hair rather than actually absorbing into the hair follicle. So, and then I'm just gonna leave out the portion of my hair that I don't want to be put into the wig cap. So I think I usually do like a side. I'm not going to necessarily do like a defined part. I just like to just do a little bit of like a flip over situation. It's usually always this side. So I'm just going to leave out about this much. And some edges, because we want it to blend. A bit of hairs along the way, just to make everything blend well. Okay, so now we're gonna go ahead and put on wig cap. And in the inside of the cap, it does come with clips. So it comes with a front clip and a back. And then for extra just adhesion, it also comes with side clips. And like I said, I like more of just the side part look. A little like flip over. So I'm just gonna take the hair, kind of go like so. We've been using my comb to bring it over. And then the curls, they are a little bit more defined. I don't want them to be as defined. So what I'm gonna do is just take my paddle brush and brush through those curls. And I'm not going to fully brush it out, but I am gonna brush it out enough to where it doesn't look so much like a defined curl. I kind of like the blowout type of curl look. But however, that is what it's giving though. So then we're gonna take this side and start from the ends, working the way up. Okay, so I think I got pretty much the volume that I'm looking for. So now let's work on the leave out. For the leave out, what I'm going to do is you can either use heat or you can use no heat. What I do is do a no heat blend, and you guys will see how I do that. So we're just gonna brush it over. And as you can see, my hair is already blending in to this wig perfectly. Literally, like, you don't gotta do too much to it. It's not super silky to where you gotta have your hair looking like a Dominican mommy. And I'm just pulling out a little bit more hair because I don't want that cap to show, or even just like the outline of the cap. Okay, so then what I'm gonna do is take my Nairobi foam and I'm just gonna go ahead and place that on my leave out like so, just to get it to better blend. And we're gonna brush. As you guys can see, that literally did the job. This hair is definitely, she's giving. Let me zoom her out a little bit. Okay, so now we're gonna go ahead and lay down these edges. And the edge control that I'm gonna be using is the 24-hour Edge Tamer by Even. You can find this at your local beauty supply store. This is just going to be an extra step that I like to do. I feel like when I was wearing at least lace front wigs a lot, my hair started to thin out along the edges. So what I'm gonna do to at least get my edges to look a little bit more full is I'm just gonna go in with this color crayon. And again, I got this from my local beauty supply store. And I'm not gonna do it super heavy. I'm just gonna touch it up to at least just make my edges appear a little bit more fuller, especially along this side, because I'm always doing like a side part. So, sis, can we talk about our edges as Black women and how we be struggling out here, okay? You gotta be careful with these edges, especially because they're like the thinnest area of our hair. You know, don't need a whole lot, just enough to get it to blend. Over time, as the wig starts getting old and it starts looking like, who did it and why, I'm gonna slowly but surely start cutting it, so it's gonna get shorter and shorter and shorter. As of right now, here's the length of it. So about right here. And again, as you can see, I did not fully brush out these curls. I literally just took a paddle brush and kind of just combed through them, because you still want some type of like defined curl look. You don't want to brush it completely out just yet. last step that I'm going to do, just to ensure that my leave out stays blended with this hair, I'm going to take some Got2b glue and spray it along my leave out, and we're going to tie my scarf down, and that'll be it. And as you can see, she's giving. She is giving, and then let me show you guys what she looks like from the back. Very much fluff and curls. And yeah.